Wow, I wish I could be a police car. Wow, how do I sound? Oh no, someone needs help. I can do this, I'm going in. Don't worry, little pup, I'll get you to safety. A little push, almost there. You did it, Mr. Car, you're a hero. Well done, little car, that was brave. A hero like you deserves this. Wow, I'm an honorary police car. 3 cheers for the little police car. I may not be a real police car, but I can still help. See you next time for another fun story. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.